Hi, I'm Heather, makeup artist for Very. Today I'm going to create a pop of colour using the leftover colours in your eyeshadow palettes. Prep the eyelid with a layer of concealer. Build layers into the eye socket, starting with a lighter shadow and blend with a fluffy brush. I then pack a light shimmery powder onto the lid. Take a bold eye colour and fill in under the lower lashes. Build colour under the eye using the lighter powder first. To complete the eye, I apply mascara. To finish, I apply foundation, blusher and lip gloss. Now you can love every colour in your palette.